Alright guys, I'm on my way down to the ATM. I had to use the ATM anyway, and somebody asked me about getting money out of an ATM here in Cambodia if you have an account back home. What's up, fellas?
Okay, good. Bro, how you doing?
Yeah,
Good.
recording. You guys are going to be stars. Stars! Look at that, look at
Didn't have plan to go yet, right?
that. No, actually, I just need to go to the ATM.
Okay.
Somebody was actually asking me about how it works to get money out of an ATM here when you have an account back in the United States. Because I don't have an account here. I got my bank account back home. I have to go anyway, so I figure I'd show them how easy it is. It's not complicated. It's just.
How about your friends in landmine? Landmines? No, it's not yet.
Yeah, I'm seeing her.
Yeah.
And another friend tomorrow.
Okay.
And we're all meeting up. We got a couple places we're gonna go, and then we're gonna talk about what day.
Yeah.
And I told them that there are certain days because of Chinese New Year that you're not gonna be able to. So
I'm at 13 and 14, 15 for 3 days. I'm busy.
Okay.
But in the 11 or 12, okay. Or after Chinese
New Year is actually just
maybe
next
16,
Friday, right?
16 or 17, right. I'm free. Yeah, I'm busy only 3 days, 13, 14, 15. Yeah.
So the Chinese New Year's lasts 3 days? Or just one day?
Today in 9, right? Today, 9, yeah.
9, yeah.
9.
Yep.
Chinese New Year start from 15.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 15.
And it lasts 3 days?
15, 16, 17.
Okay, cool.
But for me, and 15 is finished.
Right.
16 you can start.
Okay.
Or the 12 you can start. 13, 14, 15 and busy 3 days. Yeah, beside it, okay, no problem, whatever.
This is my first Chinese New Year, so
okay.
I'm probably going to be drunk anyway.
Yeah, you just to discuss with them, and then what date, plan to go to see there, and then just send me by WhatsApp as well, no problem. And
then Khmer New Year, that's the big one.
Okay, big one.
But that's not until April?
April. Start from April, and so maybe on the 14 or 15, 16 for 3 days. This is the big Khmer New Year. Yeah.
That's the one I'm looking forward to.
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait for that.
Okay.
I love a big party, man.
Yeah,
give me a big party.
Very important, in the Khmer New Year. And then all the citizens around in Cambodia, they wish to come to visit at Angkor Wat. Or some guest house or some hotel or boutique in Siem Reap, I think. At least you have to book 2 or 3 months advance.
Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure on that day, Angkor Wat's probably pretty packed.
That is crowded, yeah.
I mean, normally it's packed, but on those days it's probably like overflowing.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll let you know about the...
okay, no worries,
Because I definitely want to go see that.
Yeah.
I haven't done that yet, and I feel bad.
Okay, thank you.
I see you guys. Anyway, just like I said, go down here and show you how easy it is to get money. The only difference I would say is that without having an account at the bank that the ATMs belong to, there is a fee. So what I try to do is get the maximum amount of money out that I can, so I don't have to keep paying a fee every other day. Like if I only wanted to get 20 or 40 out at a time. That means there would be a $3 to $5 fee every time. The fee at the ATM I use is $4. Up to a certain amount. After a certain amount, I believe it goes up to $5. And all that can add up. So it's best just to get out as much money as it will allow you to and budget it out for as long as you can. Normally that's no problem for me. I'm pretty good at that. This is only the second time I have to go, but my rent is due on Monday along with my electric bill. So I'll be getting all the money out for that. And the rest will be my spending money for the rest of the month. You have no shortages of ATMs, by the way. Just like food and tuk-tuks, they're pretty much everywhere. Here's the one I use right here. It's being used right now, so I'll wait. But there's another one over there, as you can see. I've used that one before over there, and I mainly use this one because it is $1 cheaper. There we go. So here it is inside the booth. I feel like Superman. Let me get out my card here. Sorry if this is going to be a little shaky, but I've only got 2 hands. Okay. Show you how this works here. English. Put in my PIN. Look outside while I do this. There we go. Cash withdrawal. You can choose either Khmer Real or US dollars. I choose US dollars. Now I'm going to put in the amount I want. $440. Would you like to get the receipt? Yes. And this one is going to cost me $6 because it went over a certain amount. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. But as you can see, there's no muss, no fuss, nothing strange or weird. Here comes my card, slowly coming out. Please remove the card, and then your cash will be dispensed. And the money comes out right here. Make sure it's correct, and it is. Grab my receipt. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. And that is how you doing? Yeah. That is how you get money out of the ATM. See, it works just like it does back where you're from, I'm sure. Just a few different options. If you want Khmer Real or US dollars. Of course, you do have to press English so you know exactly what buttons you're pressing. Kind of important to know at an ATM. Ooh, it's kind of cloudy today, but I like it. It's warm. Very nice. For all my peeps back in Michigan. Hello.
Hello.
You have the water 2 for $1?
Huh?
The big water?
Big water?
Yeah, the 2 for $1. This lady right here, she I'll take 2 because it's only $1. Yeah, that's mine. Yeah.
What?
2. Yes, please. 2. Yeah. Come on.
Money $1. Hello. $1.
Oh no, thanks. I just ate. I can't do that. I know. I should. I should. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I told you I'd buy from you now because it's the same price. So there we go. Two 1.5 liters of water for $1. take this back up to my apartment before I continue on my journey. But anyway, yeah, except for the minor decisions you have to make to speak English and get your money out in the currency that you wish, it's pretty much straightforward. Like I said, once you go over a certain amount, the dollar amount that they charge you goes up. And here's the biggest thing I can tell you: if you're coming to Cambodia with a US bank account and a debit card you plan on using, my best piece of advice is tell your bank you're coming here, how long you're going to be here, and all that. Before I left, I bought my plane ticket online, and when I hit purchase, it got declined. And within a minute, I had an email, a text message, and a phone call from my bank alerting me to potential fraud on my account. The fraud was simply that, knowing my purchasing habits, I'd never bought a plane ticket. I never went anywhere. They just knew my accounts from running around locally to the stores. I never made a purchase like that. They rang some kind of alarm, and they had closed my account for until I called and answered some questions and verified it was me and that I was actually doing it. Afterwards, I went to the bank and had them, I went in physically and made sure they put a note on my account letting them know that I bought a one-way ticket to Cambodia, and do not lock out my card when I use it. I check my account all the time, so if there was anything fraudulent that I see, I would alert them and let them know. But this is just basic information for you to let you know that you should square that away with your bank before you leave, so you don't have a problem using your card once you get here. Because there is nothing worse than having your card declined, or have the ATM keep your card because it may be stolen. Then you'll have to deal with all that stuff back in your home country from here, and it just makes it more of a hassle. So don't be that person. So far, I've had no issues here. Withdrawing money, spending money, nothing. My bank's aware. My account's good. Everything is fine. Anyway, gonna go put these waters away before I head out. And I'll talk to you guys in a minute.